We got this nasty C63 AMG in this week, guys. Full wrap going down. We're doing a couple black accents, and we're doing new badges, gloss black. And this is the color INOZETEK Sunflower Dandelion Yellow, I believe it's called. So, you know, these colors are pretty much paint-like finishes. Only the orange peel and the paint transfers through it. This car looks insane already, just all black. It's got this crazy aggressive lip kit, aero kit all the way through to the back, and it's not stock under the hood. The owner told me he has pure 800 or 900 turbos on it. So somewhere horsepower-wise, somewhere probably between 800 and 900. It has a meth injection in the back trunk. When I popped it, I saw that. So this thing is definitely rowdy, guys, and this color is going to set it off. Completely new car. He's gonna have it perfectly ready for the summer, and I can't wait to lay some color on it. So yeah, this is a C63 coupe. I don't know exactly what year, but you can see these buckets are really nice. You know, everything is it looks amazing already just in black, but this color is just gonna take it to another level. You can see he has BC Forge wheels as well. These look really good. And I think they're gonna, you know, collab with the color as well really nicely. The rear end, the diffuser, extremely aggressive. I'm pretty sure he replaced that middle section too because it has those fins on it. So yeah, that looks crazy. So on the back, we're gonna do a brand new spoiler, black badges, and the spoiler is carbon too. This is just what it looks like underneath from whenever he put the last one on. So all this will be cut. This happens with every single spoiler, guys. I think I showed the same thing on the Lambo. You know, when people don't remove it correctly or whatnot, I'm still gonna clean a little bit, but it always leaves like a residue and whatnot, but that will be covered right up. And yeah, so everything else is the same here. You can see how concave and aggressive these wheels are. I actually have these wheels from the same company, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, these are really nice two-piece probably. And we have it fully disassembled. Well, not fully. Disassembled with the badges and everything. And all I got to take off is the mirrors, since they're attached to the door, and the handles. Since this car is black, I'm not going to go crazy deep. There's no reason to, so he's going to save on unwrapping in the future. And we're still going to get full coverage. It doesn't mean that, you know, the wrap is not going to be perfect. It just means you don't need to go as deep as other colors. So the only other thing I think with the back, I remember doing my first C63, and these bump stops are clipped in from the back. There's really no way to, you know, pull them out because the clips are just really strong. So I might have to remove this bumper because I'm not going to wrap around these. It's really annoying. I'd rather just get full coverage behind them. And taking off that bumper is not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna lay some color on it. I'm just gonna let it dry out. It just got washed, everything. So I will definitely put in a sound clip of this thing when it's done or beforehand. But yeah, this thing sounds crazy. He's running a fat tire in the back and everything. So I know this thing's pushing crazy power. And the AMGs just sound so deep and throaty. And yeah, it just sounds, I mean, he doesn't even have the valves open, which he has a remote for, and it still sounds crazy. So I wonder how it's going to sound with the valves. Maybe I'll play with it and open them when I give it a couple of revs. But other than that too, we're going to wrap this piece because you can see almost on every single Mercedes, these little sun strips get super faded from the sun. So we're going to hit that with gloss black and cover it up, make it look brand new. So yeah. Stay tuned for the time lapse. This thing's gonna be sick. Final update on this insane C63s AMG, guys. It came out amazing. I mean, the color looks unreal in person. These gloss finishes, you know, if you want it to look like paint, it can be done. It might look even better than paint, and with the fresh ceramic coating as well. It's ready to go, 3 to 5 years rated. You know, as long as the owner takes care of the car and everything, washes it properly with the recommended soaps, this thing's good to go. And yeah, so he really loved this color, and I can see why. When it gets on the lighter side of it, like right here, when it hits those high body lines, it kind of gets lighter, like that sunflower daffodil finish. And then it gets a little bit darker, as you can see if you look back there. But overall, I mean, it kills it. This color looks unreal on this car with all the crazy aggressive carbon pieces all around. We added a brand new spoiler on the back that's like a high kick. So yeah, as you guys can see, I mean, this color just completely made this a brand new car. INOZETEK sunflower yellow or daffodil yellow, something like that. I still don't know the color, but this car was a mission though. I'm not gonna lie, the whole rear bumper had to come off, the bumpers in general. It took me a very long time. I pretty much spent like almost a full day on each bumper. This one had to completely come off because of these bump stops. You know, just getting these vents out, the reflectors out, which I paint matched. That's what he wanted. And yeah, it's just a lot of work. It would be way more work trying to work around these crazy little things. You know, you could see how tight it is in there. You can't fit like even the skinniest of tools in there. So there is one inlay on the top part. That one's done in piece. The bumps are done in pieces. There's one little inlay on the corner in there on the bottom. This color does distort a little easy, you know, if you go too hard on it. So couldn't one piece that inner vent area. Maybe with cast Avery I'd probably get away with it, but not with this stuff. This stuff is a lot thicker, and you know, just the way it's made to get this finish, it is just thicker and different to work with. So brand new badges on as well. He gave me these, or he brought me these with the yellow S. Came out sick. Once I put those badges back on and everything's fresh, the car it just changes the car. Brand new high kick spoiler, like I said. The old one kind of came way out further to here. This one kind of sits more on the corner and higher up, so it kicks out. Looks amazing. So you can see this shot where the lighter yellow comes out in it. You guys probably already saw it outside. I'm about to pull it out to take the final pics and videos, so I'll see it in a bit. But yeah, this thing came out insane, guys. Proper car. It's tuned on meth injection, built with upgraded turbos. So this is the end result. All these clean lines inside as usual, how it is on every car. And yeah, like I said, built car. So this thing is it's a monster, I think. Or I probably put in some clips already, but there you guys go. Let me know what you think. This is INOZETEK. And you know, if you guys want a fully gloss finish that looks like paint or even better, you got to go for something like this. This was one of his favorite colors and we got it done, so it came out amazing.